Hi friends, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 12th Geography book India People and Economy. Today in the first lesson which is going on. Today we will see the topic about the regional variation in the population growth. That is very important topic, and we will try to understand this topic with the maps and the different datas. So let's we start. In the first I will tell you the population growth which are varied in India from place to place. As you can see well in the map, the red mark, the red border which are telling that there is the highest population growth, and the green mark are telling that there are the less population growth has been recorded. So if we see the growth rate of the population growth, which was very obvious in the year 1991 to 2001, that is the decadal growth of the population growth, and lower growth rate registered during 2001 and 11. This was the decadal period. It was compared to 1991 to 2001, which was, you will say, lower growth rate was recorded, and the states which were seen in the I will say most populous state of India. These are the states like the MP, UP, Maharashtra, Bihar, then West Bengal, then Andhra Pradesh, then MP. These are the states where the population growth rate in the decadal growth which was recorded from the year 2001 and 2011. If we compare it from the year 1991 and 2001, so it was seen there that there was the kind of growth rate was fallen. Means if you compare it, lowest growth rate which was recorded in Andhra Pradesh, which was 3.5%, and highest growth rate was seen in Maharashtra, it was 6.7%, and Tamil Nadu, where the 3.9%, and Puducherry, where the 7.1 the growth rate was recorded from the year 2001 and 11. These are the states and these are the territories. So the growth rate in the age group which was seen in the age group of the 10 to 19 years, and where the 20.9% the you will say growth rate was seen in the adolescent population which is classified from the age group of 10 to 19 years. And if you compare it, but this you will say age group adolescent population growth was seen in the year 2011, and if you compare it with the male and female, so the 52% the male population growth was seen, and 47.3% the female population growth was seen. Means there was the kind of variation. There was a very long variation, large variations, and some factors which were very important, such as the marriages, illiteracy, female illiteracy, school dropout, low intake of the nutrients, high rate of the you will say maternal mortality of the adolescent mother, HIV, AIDS infections, physical and the mental disabilities, and the drugs abuse and the alcoholism, and so many other kind of the problem, which were the very major factor for the kind of these variation between the adolescent population from the age group 10 to 19 between the male and female. Means there was the various regions also more affected. Even the government policies which were also started from the year 2011, and so many program has been started from the year 2011. Efforts of the government to decrease the variations between the male and female. So there was a lot of programs such as the impart better way of the education to engage talent, because in India there was the age groups, there is the age groups from the year 10 to 19. Best there is a lot of possibilities to just increase or empower their talent, but many of the program was not there, means a hinder of the programs. So the better way of the education was implemented for the upliftment for the talent of the age group from 10 to 19 years, and National Youth Policy for Overall Development Program also started. It was also started, and National Youth Program, which was started in the year 2014, which was launched in the February 2014. There was the holistic vision, means the all-round development was seen in this program. What was the aim? To empower the youth of the country to achieve full potential, so that they can just we'll say maintain their life and their skills for their development, enable them rightful in the community. Means many of the other programs the government had started in such a way rightfully they can improve their talent, so that they can earn well. Even they can also start the startup, means not only they can employ but also they can just give the employment to the other needy people. National Youth Program defines the age group 15 to 29 as youth. National policy for the skill development and entrepreneurships, which was also started by the central government 2015. So the growth rate was seen. I will just again back in the topic. I am just coming back in the topic. So we will see there the low growth rate was seen in these states where the red border has been seen. So there are the 20% of the growth rate has been seen in these states, and Kerala, green color where the low growth rate has been seen in the green color, you can see well, and red borders where you can see the high growth rate in this state. These are the states you can see well: Rajasthan, Gujarat, then Punjab, Haryana, then UP, then Maharashtra, then the Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. These are the states where the growth rate was seen in the you will say increasing positions. You can see well it was seen between the 20 to 25. These are the groups from 20 to 25, and the low growth rate of the population was seen in this state, means the you will say Karnataka, then Tamil Nadu, then Kerala, then Andhra Pradesh, then Odisha, then many states of the northeast and some states of the you will say northern India, means mountains regions where Jammu Kashmir, these are the Union Territories, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. These are the regions where the you will say low rain you will say population decrease has been seen. So student, these are the regional variations, and these factors are very very important for the kind of this variation between the male and female, because government policies which was enabling from the beginning as India got the freedom, but the rightful way the steps was not taken. These steps were taken from the year 2011, 12 and 13, 14, and so many other program has been also started by the government, so that these variations could be stopped, and the skill development program should be started to just encash the potent you will say talent of the age group from 10 to 19. But the national youth policies where they has described the age group from 10 you will say 15 to 29. So student, hope you may enjoy this video, and if you understand, so you can comment it and just share it this video among your community. Thank you to listen me and watching me.